Hello everyone, in this lecture of the Essential Calculus problem series, I will solve limit as x approaches to infinity square root of x plus 4 minus square root of x. Now for this problem, direct substitution gives us an indeterminate form of infinity minus infinity. And limit as x goes to infinity square root of x plus 4 minus square root of x. This will give us infinity minus infinity. And we have a square root here. When we have a square root, multiplying by the conjugate often removes this indeterminate form. And here I will use the identity for difference of squares. We know that if we multiply a minus b by a plus b, we get a square minus b square. And the conjugate of this is equal to square root of x plus 4 plus square root of x. And we also divide by square root of x plus 4 plus square root of x. And here we have square root of x plus 4 for a and square root of x for b. Then this will be limit as x approaches to infinity square root of x plus 4 square minus square root of x square divided by square root of x plus 4 plus square root of x. And limit as x approaches to infinity, we get here x plus 4 minus x divided by square root of x plus 4 minus square root of x. And now we can cancel these two x's here, and we get limit as x approaches to infinity, we have 4 divided by, and this is plus here, square root of x plus 4 plus square root of x. And now we know that x is approaching to infinity. This means that we have 4 here, and we have square root of x plus 4 plus square root of x here. This means that the denominator grows without bound. If our denominator grows without bound, our limit will be 0. Okay. Now, this is the answer of this problem, and in the next problem, I will solve limit as x goes to minus infinity square root of 5 minus x minus square root of 1 minus x. See you in the next problem.